59 is going to be a place where you're going to want to go if you're a creator. If you like to do any sort of 3D printing, laser engraving, just get your hands out into like those new innovative technologies. And what it is it's a community kind of collaboration. So there's a lot of other people in there that are very creative or innovative. It's a good place to network as well and kind of bring some of your ideas you might have to fruition. And so anybody that's interested in that creative kind of aspect and kind of wanting to see what an additive manufacturing process might be, 3D printing, I'd recommend just going in and checking that out. It's really kind of the beginning of a new era as far as manufacturing goes. These 3D printers are going to be a big thing in the future.